The old man is open again in Canggu, or at least the one of the half of the restaurant. Over there, the old part, and over here there will be the brand new construction ongoing, so everything is going back to normal. We will come back to the old man later, but let's go to the beach first. Let's see what's going on around.
Thank you very much, Bruno Mars, my brother. I used to.
This is it. This is Pantai Batu Bolong in Canggu area. You see the live band music, people enjoying their time, you know, facing the sunset. And luckily, we were stuck before about 2 hours, you know, from Sanur to Canggu, and then we missed the sunset. But when arrived here, okay, I can hear the sound of, you know, like the live music. It makes me feel like it's okay.
Yeah, it's been a while when I was here last time. I think last time we were together when we were going there inside the bars and filming the sunset, because we were on time, the traffic was not as that busy as it is now. Or maybe the last time when I was met this guy from Bosnia and Herzegovina was said hi to me and I filmed the Michael Jackson over there. Now I got confused. Too many videos on my channel, I already don't remember when I was last time, right? But the vibe is the same anyways, right?
Yeah, so I don't know what to say. Maybe some of you doesn't really like Canggu, and maybe some of you really like Canggu. But you know, Bali, like someone said, Bali is cater to everyone.
Exactly, guys. Everyone should find something for yourself, guys. We came from there, from the direction, and there are some bars at the edge of the, well, on the beach. And there is the famous The Lawn, very legendary place. I think one of the first on this beach. That's when the fame of this place begins, together with Oldsman, I guess. And of course, as you can see, so many surfers around this beach in general is famous for the surfers. And simply looks like this one. Also, this area over here is probably one of the best in Bali if you are looking for the girlfriend, even the long-term girlfriend or short-term girlfriend. However, Tinder and the apps of this that I heard as everybody are meeting over here. I don't know why it's like that, but some of you may be interested and it's very helpful for you.
Okay guys, I just mentioned one of my friends. I didn't want to say your name here, but you know, she told me that every single night she went to Canggu for the Tinder date. So what I can say, this is the best place maybe for you to meet people, you know, like to have a Tinder date.
Or if you don't want to meet anyone, maybe you want to talk about the cryptocurrencies or NFTs or any kind of new things, everybody are talking about that here, so this is the place for you.
I don't wanna stop it. Thank you very much, Queen. That's not, you know. And still don't stop, but don't stop believing. Small town girl,
So nice.
living in a lonely world. She took to me now, trained her anywhere. I'm just a city boy.
So this is what Canggu offers actually. Surfs, cheap drinks and cheap bars. You see when we walk around there, in 100k you will get like a barbecue and 4 bintangs, you know, within the one package. So no wonder then so many young tourists, not only young tourists, so many tourists there, you know, people enjoying their meals there and enjoying the live music. So this is it. So what makes Canggu always busy time by time.
But behind us is the Oldsman, just currently open. For sure we're gonna have a look there inside, maybe having some drink. So even in Canggu you can, it's so much variety. You can find so many different places around. Definitely, if you are thinking to come to Canggu, you should find something for yourself, or you're just simply gonna like it, or maybe you're not gonna like it at all. That's how it is everywhere. around Bali. So many options to choose from. So Canggu have actually two hot spots, Berava, where is so many beach clubs, Batu Bolong, where we are now, and actually the third one is the Pererenan, where is residential area with so many nice villas and houses around, but also actually so many restaurants. But today we are in Batu Bolong, and Batu Bolong is definitely much more affordable and more local vibe overall, rather than Berava, where is so many fancy beach clubs, where I was last time filming the Atlas or Fins or many more.
So except that, you can find many affordable local bars with affordable, price of the beers, food, and also surfing, I think.